I got this. Sir, I need you.
I just want to go home.
We're not going home right now, baby.
That's all I want to do is go home.
We're not really.
Can we go home?
Yes.
Can we go home?
Punches our door and knocks the sign off of the door there, and then comes out here and starts beating the shit out of his car.
Press charges for that. You want to press charges for that to get this handled?
I have been drinking. Screw them.
Who's driving?
Me.
He's not driving.
Me. Yes, I am.
No,
yes,
you're not. Hit her again, and you're gonna go to jail.
That's me.
Yeah, he's not. Please
Don't mess with these two.
Ma'am, please stop.
I'm just gonna detain him for right now, okay?
No, but he will get PTSD. Please don't do that.
I mean, he didn't break nothing, but
I mean, he's gonna go either way. We're gonna get him for disorderly, probably. Can't be causing a scene like that.
Yeah.
Do you want to?
let me ask you, because she was the other.
Let her know it's just a misdemeanor. It's not a big deal, but it would get this resolved for the day. Let me know. I'm gonna go over here with her real quick. Okay. Thanks.
She's not arresting you. She's just making sure it's safe, okay? His mom's on his way. She's coming to pick him up.
All right, so this is your ex-husband.
Yes.
Her boyfriend?
Yes.
Okay.
I know that's a weird situation.
Each to their own.
But it's not weird because we have a kid together. Like, I feel like this is my baby mom.
Okay.
So we just can't afford to live like this, and we one Saturday out of the month we wanted to come out and enjoy ourselves.
I need to go because he was beating on to the stuff in the building, all that kind of stuff.
No.
Mr. Wilson, hey, we are natives here. We grew up here. We just are spending one Saturday out here that we can afford to spend out here, and I'm sorry.
He's not good with alcohol. Let's just say that, okay?
Okay, can we put him in the back of this car at least for a little bit?
Sir,
that way it's not. I don't want.
Don't mess with them girls.
Keep him detained till his mom gets here to pick him up, please. Come on, Chase.
Get you in the car, sir.
No,
You're not going to jail. You're not going to jail. Listen.
You're just detained, okay?
There you go.
You got to calm yourself, okay?
Hey, just let my old lady and her best friend go.
Okay.
Her best friend.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
look. No, you're not going to jail, okay?
Yes, sir.
Listen to me. Trace, you're not going to jail. Your mom's on her way. Okay, you just lay down. Take a nap. Take a nap, okay?
I love y'all.
We never drink. We never go out and do anything. I work from home. Like, I've been working for a dermatology office for like 11 years.
No, we're not going to press charges, but if we could go ahead and trespass him. Once you do that, if we can get his information so I can send it to our security people.
We just never get to go out and enjoy ourselves.
I can't take it because it's in my back.
Can you put his thing
Yeah, that's fine. Can you guys go away for a second? We gotta figure some stuff out. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. It's in my back right now.
Stand up.
All I gotta do is speed.
Let's stand up.
Yes, sir.
Move it over to the front. Lean up against the car, bro.
All I gotta do is speed, sir.
Well, please do not pee.
No, I won't.
Right here. Face me.
Right here.
Sit back down for a second.
Wait, right here?
In the car.
Right
in the car. In the car.
Oh.
Losing my patience.
What's your name, sweetheart?
Alicia.
And this is probably because they probably just want to trespass us all.
Who? Trespass me?
Yeah.
Why would he?
I don't know.
No, don't trespass me. I ain't done nothing here.
They're trespassing every one of y'all.
You what?
Yeah, and it'll be from all newbies too.
No, that's cool. I'm just trying to help.
That's their choice. That's what's going to happen.
Okay, how do I get that resolved? Because I'm just trying to help.
It's a private business. They don't want you on it. That's the end of it.
No, I can talk to somebody.
You can call them, but you're not coming back to that. Or tomorrow.
And so y'all are all trespassed from all newbies.
I didn't do anything
We
wrong.
didn't know.
We're
Stop.
I'm trying to help to de-escalate the situation.
I understand.
Well, can you please
Okay, and
rectify
y'all
that
go
for me?
free
Because
and
I
I will fucking deal
enjoy
with the consequences.
being here. And I have a lot of friends that come here. Can you please?
Will you please let me do this? Excuse me? Will you please?
What? Do
I'm
what?
begging you right
Do what?
now. Let me take this, what they're doing, and let them go on about their business.
You're in no state to do that.
Shut up! Will y'all shut up?
They have a very strong policy with behavior like this.
But this isn't me. This is them.
Unfortunately, you're associated with them.
I'm not, though. I was just trying to help the situation. I literally walked up just trying to help.
They're not gonna go.
They don't want to press charges for like knocking down the sign and all that. Obviously disorderly if you would like to, or you can wait for mama to come and get them. It's up to you. But
Wait on these.
sit your ass in the car.
All right, we'll let them
Sit
go.
in the car. Sit in the car.
No,
Let's just go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it.
no, I'm not trying to do nothing.
Okay,
I'm
sit in the
just
car.
trying to
All the way in the car.
let them go.
In the car, in the car, in the car.
Hey, excuse me,
Move your
sir.
foot. Shut in this car.
We're just trying to go to the...
This is stupid.
Yeah, it is silly.
So whose white car is this?
That's mine.
Okay, you're not driving it home.
I'm not. No, ma'am. I don't do that. We're responsible individuals. We just literally live here and we never afford to have fun. Like we live here. We've got an 8-year-old little girl. Like we're here.
You bang on my car again, we're gonna have problems.
Please let me go.
Bang on my car again and we're going to have problems. Calm the f down.
He's going to jail.
No, please do not.
He's not.
Please don't do that.
Please don't.
He's going to jail for disorderly.
No, please don't do that, ma'am.
This is ridiculous.
Oh my God, you guys are ridiculous.
Oh, he's going. He's going for disorderly. Do you want to Uber drive him?
We're just trying to
Hey, man. Tell her to go.
No, listen to me. You're
Yes,
going
sir.
with me, okay?
Yes, sir. You gotta let my girls go.
You're going with us, whether they go or not.
Oh, my God.
You're going to get in this car.
All right, can I pee?
No, then don't pee in this car either.
All I want is
When we
like,
get to the jail.
Get in.
No, go over there. Go over there. I've asked you 3 times, 4 times in jail. Go over there. Walk over here. You're obstructing what we're trying to do.
We're not peeing. Get in the car.
are you son of a bitch? You're a fucking
Hobble you.
You're a fucking
Oh.
Turn around. Get out. Get out of the car. Out of the car.
Stop!
Out of the car.
Stop! Stop! He's
We're not doing this. Get out.
Out of the car.
Stop!
Out of the car.
Oh no!
If you don't get your ass back over there, we're going to have problems.
I'm not trying to be. No, I told you. You don't want to listen.
Sorry, ma'am. I just don't know what to do.
Holy.
I'm laying here
No,
right
you're
now.
not.
Get out.
Yes, I am.
I've never been in trouble in my life.
Let's go.
I just don't know what to do.
Get in the car. 450, baby. 1015 on white female too.
Get out of the car.
Stop! Stop!
Get out.
Stop! Look!
an idiot.
Look at my hands,
Calm
baby.
down.
I understand
Calm
that.
down.
I'm not doing nothing. He keeps grabbing me.
He's trying to continue.
He's trying. No, I'm not trying to do nothing.
Door, bro.
He's trying to grab me.
You ready?
I got her.
Baby girl, he's trying to grab me. Look! I'm laying down. I'm laying down. He's trying to.
Don't resist this, dude.
No! He's trying to with me. Fuck you! You I swear to God, son, if they let me alone, you will.
Scott, get on your knees.
No! Jim!
Get on your knees.
That's a f***ed up white boy right there!
Get in.
That's a f***ed up white boy right there!
Get in.
No, f*** you!
Get in.
No, I ain't touching this shit!
Get in.
F*** that cracker!
Will you get in for me?
No! No! Get the f*** off me! I'm trying to headbutt the f*** out of you real quick.
You get another charge.
Son? No, fuck!
Get in.
I'll get the f***ing headbutt another charge!
In the car.
No,
In the car.
no, f*** you, bitch! Oh, you up!
All right, let's get you in the face.
No, stop!
I'll hold his legs.
Stop!
You got a hobble?
Stop!
How you want to do it?
Stop! Stop! Stop!
It's 4
Stop!
You shouldn't have kicked me in the face.
Stop! I didn't do it to you!
You kicked me in the face. He watched you.
Stop!
Bro,
Stop! Let me out! Stop!
Let's just clear the channel for the
Stop!
I think it's
Stop!
Here you go.
Stop! Stop! Stop, baby! I'm about to... Stop!
Look in the second
Stop!
drawer on the right. In the back.
Stop! Stop!
Just drop him.
Stop! 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 Stop!
The suspect kept yelling nonstop for several minutes, forcing officers to pull him out of the squad car once again to restrain him more securely.
Here.
Did he hit anything or did he
I think he went unconscious.
EMS? 453, but have EMS 17.
No! I promise you, I promise.
Just stand up, bro.
I promise you.
Damn.
Are you good?
Boy, I got kicked twice. You wait.
In the back of your car.
Shut the f*** up.
Intentionally do that, and you're gonna get a fucking charge. You will never get out of jail. I guarantee you. You have a ride coming, right?
Huh?
You said you have a ride coming?
No, I don't. I'm sober. I'm completely sober. I didn't have anything to do with this. I literally walked up
She's
to the
gonna go
wrong
with you.
place.
Can you take her rather than us taking her to jail?
No, please don't take her to jail. Please
Okay,
don't.
so you
I will
can
get.
take her.
I don't know her like that, but I will definitely
You'll get her out of jail.
Yes, I will get her out.
Call her.
This father of my child. I mean, I am embarrassed.
He's going to jail for
Oh,
it.
absolutely. I know that.
He's going to jail.
But I would like you guys to take this into consideration.
What?
That he's one that he got sober. He went to rehab. He did a lot. I understand that doesn't make
One DUI
that doesn't
driving
make it.
that
I
killed
get it.
somebody.
I get it. I get that it doesn't make it any better. Can you?
Get sent to the scene over here, and I'll get back with you. Hey, wakey. Let's get you out of here. Okay?
I just gotta pee. We're both good people, I promise. We're a parent
To a beautiful little 8-year-old
I'm gonna take those
girl.
off for you, okay?
This is the first time this has ever happened in my life. I'm only seeing this on documentaries.
All right, come up here.
This is so
Hey, come on.
disappointed in me.
Come on.
I grew up here my whole life.
All right, he's gonna get you glasses. All right, so this is just basically so that you've been arrested, but we're gonna release you, okay? So all I need you to do is you either.
I've never been arrested before.
It's just an ordinance, okay? It's $500, okay? Make sure.
What? That is so expensive. We never do anything.
No, it's on right here.
Where, baby?
Right there. And then put your thumb on there and put it in both of those squares.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. That's what happens when you drink, you know?
I'm so sorry. I'm so embarrassed. I'm so embarrassed.
Ma'am, I want to. Look, you had to deal with a whole lot of crazy.
What happens when alcohol, ego, and police authority clash in one heated moment? That's exactly what unfolded here. A simple trespassing call suddenly turned into a chaotic confrontation. Taylor, barely able to stand, tried to calm everyone down as if he was the wisest in the group, but words quickly lost their power. For officers, situations like this aren't about polite requests, they're about control and safety. In the end, what began as trespassing ended with charges of battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.